process of building the arms or the hands, it was mainly challenging at first because we did not know what we were getting into. Midway, we mainly started getting to the flow. We started really making progress on how to do it, and then in the last part, we just flew through it and completed the whole thing. During the process of brainstorming on how this hand should help others, the first thing was people with disabilities and how to help them carrying things or like holding things. We had to search around our community for a little bit until we found an 8th grader that had an accident that lost his hands. Well, firstly, we had to ask him a series of questions, and one of the main questions that we saw that really piqued at our ideas were how did not having your hands fully fledged out to all the things you have nowadays, how did it affect you? And he said that normally he would not be able to hold things correctly or like hold it in a long period of time. And with this, we thought, well, technology nowadays has lots of right-handed things, and normally technology companies like to make it so people have to have like fully fledged, well-working hands, right hands. And now we thought, well, if we could use our hands to kind of simulate these type of things to help him with holding his phone or texting, calling, walking around with it, this could really help him in many ways and really make him more included in the community in some sort of way.